Hey, I'm in a 2016 Chrysler Town Country, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So, from the driver's side first, you're going to go down till you find this lever. Should feel like a little resistance as you pull, and hear like a tiny pop sound. In the back side here, you should have like a cable that's fairly tight that's connected. If this is not here for some reason, you'll want to find that, sort out what's going on, and reattach it. Then we'll go up to the front. And then from here, we'll find the lever. So, right here. So there's the lever there. Alright, got it up. That's the latch. That's what it hooks to.